And Jack is going to be painting the Camaro. So, welcome back to Sparkburn. It's going to get exciting. Well, here at Sparkburn, very bulletproof. Welding and gas. All that fabrication.
Welcome to Sparkburn Hot Rods YouTube channel.
Today I'm going to be finishing sanding this body so we can get it into base coat and clear. So I'll be block sanding the rest of this. I've got some guide coat on here right now and trying to get this done today, hopefully. Adjusting these doors a little bit so they'll fit a little help body lines look a little better.
Take the bolt out, Jack. What? Oh shit. He's got a bolt in it.
Get it ready for paint. Hopefully paint it by the end of today.
Heck yeah.
So that's what I'm doing. A lot of prep work and then I'll be painting.
Heck yeah.
It still continues right there.
Yeah.
And that's why I was trying to find that point in the middle to see where that ended.
Well, I don't know if we could do. Yeah, so you have to cut
on
this
the
off some
yeah,
more right there.
Yeah, I just needed to.
So, okay. So, all right, which side of the stripe are you? Or the? I guess that'll be all right. He's not gonna know. So my guess is just gonna go. I'm not gonna lose my mind if we're not like right on the fucking fine line. You know what I mean? You
Yeah, we can just cover it with another piece of tape. I guess we can, but
know what I mean?
that one.
If we kind of go in and out a little bit, I'm not gonna lose my mind. On this. So this will go down. Surely it doesn't go up and around.
Because it looks like it dies off in that picture.
Yeah, it probably does.
And there's just one single line right there in the middle.
Goes all the way across to the other side.
No, I don't know. That's what I was trying to look up because there's no pictures.
Because that's going to be shown. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Actually, that doesn't matter because you're just painting it here. Oh wait, that does matter because of this stripe. Yeah, so this will come around, go right there.
See, I don't know if it just ties into that and dies off like up into there. I don't know.
I don't know. That's funky though, because I
is.
guess you could take it all the way back. You know what I mean?
And just have that line again in the center there.
Let's go all the way back to the back, you know.
And then just even have that line.
Yeah, this
Have
one.
this, the edge of this one.
The
come off
black's
like
gonna
that.
be. This will stay. No, this will
That's
come
gonna
off.
be.
This
Yeah, that
will
one's
pull
coming
off.
off. Yeah.
Yeah, so you pull this one all the way around. I don't like the overlap that I have on around the corner, but I'm trying to get it close. There we go. So then this will go back around. I assume that's what it's going to be.
Yeah. Because there's no picture online. I tried to blow
Yeah, so
all
take
those ones
take
up.
that all the way back and then put another stripe right here.
Exactly, and then pull this center one.
Yeah, then
so
pull
take this one all the way
to
down
the back. Yeah, and then pull this one real quick.
Yep. Oh, I got to put that up. Yeah, I know what you're saying.
Yeah.
So
Then put the other. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead and put the other stripe on. That's cool. Shitty pictures. It gets kind of fat.
It's the same exact pictures online, so it doesn't really do it.
So it's gonna be about like that. So that's gonna be. Oh, I need another one. So whenever you're done with that outside one,
Yeah.
I might just go get another. I wonder if they have 1/8 inch of O'Reilly's. You know?
Sure they do.
I was supposed to get 2 of everything.
Yeah, this is all that was out
I know.
there.
This I want. I didn't
They sent-
want
they
2
sent
of these.
2 of those,
I wanted 2 of
exactly.
1/8 inch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo! Did it cut okay? Smells wonderful. Okay, what we're doing today is finishing. We're done laying out the stripes. Now all we're doing is masking everything off so then we can, well, Jack can paint the flat black or satin black. And that's what we're doing right now, is just finishing the little detail work up, the fun part. The fun part, but that's where we're at. It'll be done here in the next, what do you say, Jack, another hour? Yeah, probably. It'll be all caught up and Satan black. It'll be lovely. Everybody will love it. I mean, it'll be so awesome. All the kids will want to do it, you know?